Buggy software can corrupt your data. To fix it, power down and launch into safe mode. Repair the file system. If that fails, reinstall your operating system from recovery mode. Remember to back up your data. If your post-2018 MacBook won't turn on, it may be in DFU mode. Try a forced firmware, use a second Mac with Apple Configurator 2, connect via USB-C, and attempt to revive. Laptops get thinner, display damage becomes more common. Look closely for hairline cracks, changing your viewing angle to spot them. Check the bezel below the display and inspect internal cables. If damage is found, a screen replacement is the solution. 2016, Apple redesigned the MacBook display connection. The T-Con board now sits inside the housing. These cables are prone to tears and punctures from debris. Repairing them requires micro-soldering, which is difficult and unreliable. Failure is always an option. The EDP cable connects the logic board to the display. Liquid damage can bridge the high voltage backlight line to the inspect closely for corrosion to avoid a logic board replacement. Magnets in the bezel are detected by sensors in the chassis. This triggers sleep and magnet along the sides. On Airs, sensors are in the mic and speaker. On Pros, at least one is on the logic board. Liquid in your electronics can wreak havoc on any system it touches. Liquid damage can affect MacBooks in 3 key areas: the backlight circuit, display connector, and T-Con board. Even if you're unfamiliar with circuit boards, backlight circuits are easy to spot. Check for burned or cracked parts, liquid residue, or corrosion. These signs point to logic wires. Consider micro-soldering or board replacement. A local repair shop can also help. With the right tools, you can bring your Mac back to life.